Jet Rider Nation, Georgia writes, I have no problem asking someone to exit a ride. Excessive drinking, wave jumping, reckless riding. So that again speaks to the Jet Rider Nation organization itself. I think that's, again, you're looking out for people's safety and you're looking out for, people making sure that everyone there is having a good time.
Yeah, they're very big on that. And somebody just messaged me. I guess that's my own super chat form. They asked me, well, if a group grows and their events get bigger, does that mean that you should leave? No, it doesn't, because you have groups like Jet Rider Nation that if their event is big, they don't send everybody out there together. So you have an admin that takes pods out. So they go out in groups. So they send a group out, then they send another group out of 15,
Smart.
10. So they all send them out in groups. So just because a group gets bigger, that doesn't mean that you have to leave it and just go to another group somewhere else. No, if they do the right thing, and that is the right thing, start sending people out in pods, then you're safe, because now you're no longer riding in a group of 400 skis underneath a bridge. Makes a lot of sense, so
it's not rocket science. You're not launching.
It's not, unless you're trying to show off and, oh, look, I have 400 skis.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.